Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Oaks and Company. I'm so glad that y'all decided to stop by today. So today's video is a power hour clean with me, and it literally took me more than an hour. It took me an hour and 15 minutes to do everything I needed to do. So what was going on was I had family that just left, and I had family on the way for Thanksgiving. So I had about an hour and 15-20 minutes to get the house reset and flipped before the next company came in for our second Thanksgiving. So it was like pretty crazy, but I did it. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button and share my videos with all of your friends. I just want to give a big shout out to all my recent subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me.
It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you
y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I have like the best Thanksgiving ever because I got to see all my babies and all my grandkids and hug them and squeeze them, and I have not been able to see them much due to COVID, and it was just really great having them all here. I hope that y'all had the same fun times at your home. I want to leave you with a verse today. It's Matthew 11:28. When you are weary and carrying heavy burdens, go to God and He will give you rest. I know in these uncertain times, we're all just kind of suffering from some anxiety and unknown. And just know that God is there for you. And if you go to Him, you can get rest in Him. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all next time. Bye.